All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is March 15th, 2024. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's take a look at some charts. Start off first chart. We're going to look at SPY on a daily chart. And we're going to see what kind of price action we got on SPY today. And let's take a look. So we got a gap down, a lower high and a lower low, closing below the trap but above 17 EMA right there. A little bit of profit taking happening in SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. I'm going to go out on a limb and say they probably all look similar. Yeah, same thing happening here. Lower high, lower low, closing below a bearish trap and below the 17 EMA. So we had a high here, or a low here, or a low here. Either one, you took out the low. QQQ in a downtrend, taking out those two lows right there. All right, so in a downtrend there for QQQ. Let's take a look at FNGU. All right, in a downtrend, taking out these two lows right here. Lower high, lower low, closing below a bearish trap, below a 17 EMA. FNGU. Diamond Dow, lower high, lower low, closing below the bearish trap, below the 17 EMA. Look at patterns going on here. Okay, IWM, a little profit taking. Lower high, lower low, higher low, closing below a bearish trap below the 17 EMA. I just want to see on Diamond Dow and on IWM how close the 50 period is. So I would say IWM's probably coming after this 50 period moving average, which is only about $4 away. So they're getting close. IWM. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow is only, see, 387, and the 50's at 384. I'd say probably another pullback candle on Monday. So we'll see what happens. So this is 387 down to 384. $3 away. So I'd say that's going after the 50 as well. Okay, QQQ. Probably going after the 50 there. So how far are we away? Is 434. 50's at 427. So that's within range. Day and a half range. You know, $6 range, 6.5. That takes us down to, 28, 27.50 right there, 6.45. If they have a full day range on Monday, they could be into the rising 50. So there's QQQ. We did IWM. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow back on the other chart. Lower high, lower low, closing below the trap, below the 17 EMA. FNGU did the same. QQQ did the same. SPY closed above the 17. That's about the only difference there. Okay, IWM did. Oh, I'm locked up. No good. Come on. Back to the recording. Okay, yeah, increase the brightness on the 17 EMA. Yes. So IWM, you can see higher low, lower high, closing below the 17 EMA. Let's take a look at our technicals. T2122 came out of the sell zone and just chopped back and forth between the The buyer's chop zone and seller's chop zone. Nice thing, it made a higher low. T2123, nothing but chop. Green, red, and then faster green, red, and then even faster green, red. All just chopping to the sideways. 3-bar chart. All right, you can see price action catching up with 17 EMA right there. All right, FNGU started out red and ended red with a couple of green candles testing VWAP to see if they can get through. So there's FNGU. Back to the other charts and take a look at silver. Silver had a good day. Silver rip into higher low, higher high. Nice little topping tail there. Maybe it cools off. Right into the downtrend line right there. There's the downtrend line. Okay, so silver coming right into the downtrend. Higher low, higher high. Closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. GLD. GLD consolidating in bull flag fashion. Over to the right. And we got a higher low and looks like a higher high. High there, 263. High there, 247. So higher low, higher high, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. USO was in an uptrend. Still in an uptrend. We've got a higher low and a lower high inside day, closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. UNG. All right, UNG having a lower high, lower low, closing below the bearish trap, below the 17, still in a downtrend again. Okay, so there's that. XLK, financials. No, this is technology. This is technology. Lower low here. All right, so in kind of going into a downtrend, making that lower low right there. Kind of like to see it beat this low, but it did make a lower low, lower high, lower low. Starting a downtrend with price action, lower high, lower low, closing below the bearish trap, below the 17 EMA, XLK. XLI, the industrials. All right, here we are, industrials, inside day, higher low, lower high, closing inside the... closing above the bullish trap and over the 17 EMA. IYT, that's our transports, getting hit hard. Lower high, lower low, closing well below the trap and the 17 EMA. Now the last one, XLF, is our financials. And here we are, lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap. Still in an uptrend there on XLF. IYT broke this pivot low in a downtrend. IYT's in a downtrend. XLF's in an uptrend. XLK starting a downtrend. SMH starting a downtrend. Lower high, lower low, closing just over the 17 EMA there. Starting a downtrend, SMH. IYT starting a downtrend. XLK. What did we say? Starting a downtrend on XLK. And financials still in an uptrend. And how about the small caps? And the small caps are starting to, well, they got a ways to go. All right, we could call this a lower, could call that a pivot there. They are definitely breaking the trend line right there. Could call that a lower low from there, making this a downtrend in the small and mid caps too. So everything's starting a small downtrend, kind of pullback. We'll see how low it's going to go. Maybe want to test 500 on SPY. We'll see what happens. All right, traders, US dollar is, let's take a look at the dollar. Take a look at the dollar. And we got a little more culprit action. All right, this was the culprit for yesterday's sell-off. Well, we got a little bit more today. So still in a downtrend. All right, because we got a lower high and a lower low. Until we break that high, we're still in a downtrend. Got to break that high right there. So dollar still in a downtrend. All right, so I heard Family Dollar and Dollar General are closing some stores. So let's see what DG. So you can see they got whacked hard. I think you brought up Dollar Tree yesterday, didn't you, Robert? Okay, this got whacked hard. And that looks like a top to me. So right there. So Dollar General getting hit hard. Family Dollar. See if we get anything. I don't know what the ticker is for Family Dollar, but DLTR is Dollar Tree. They are not closing stores, but they really got whacked hard here. And you would think that if they're not closing stores and their competition is, that would be good for them. Okay, so you can see this coming right into the shoulders here and bouncing. So watch for the bullish engulfing on this one, because if somebody else is closing 1,000 stores, that's a whole lot of business going to these guys over here, provided they're within driving distance. So watch for the bullish engulfing on Dollar Tree. Casey General Stores. Yeah, Casey got a nice pop today. All right, Casey is in an uptrend. It was in bull flag right there, right through there. Boy, they got hit hard a few days ago, like a week earlier. I don't know how they got hit so hard. Must have been earnings or something. Casey got a 2-hour uptrend. Watch for those 10-minute uptrends in Casey. On Dollar Tree, well, you don't even have bullish engulfing. DLTR. See, you don't even have a 2-hour uptrend yet. So you didn't miss anything. You didn't miss anything because you don't even have a 2-hour uptrend. Get that 2-hour uptrend going right through there and play the 10-minute inside that 2-hour uptrend right there. So you didn't miss anything yet. This is what we want to see. Bulls step in and got a nice green candle there. Getting the higher low here. Now we want to see bulls take out the top of this consolidation right there. Excuse me. Right over 129.50. You get it up over 129.50, this consolidation right there. Breakthrough resistance, and then we're back to filling the gap. Matter of fact, let's just do that now. Let's put an alert right here. Set the alert. Want to get up here, hold, and then start filling the gap. ADM, Starley likes ADM. ADM on a 2-hour looks fantastic, Starley. And on the daily, we got ourselves like a little rounded bottom happening here. Possible gap fill. Let's see what it looks like with the moving averages on there. Oh, back into the 50. Okay, so we're already at the 50. If they can climb up on top of the 50 and hold that, that would be good. This is their first time dealing with a drop with a falling. No, second time they dealt with it over here. So they might be able to get through this ADM. All right. They got earnings 423. That's a little ways off. It's a month away. They got that rounded bottom look to that one. and Mickey D's. I gotta tell you, this looks like one of those charts. It's got kind of an inverse head and shoulders here. Right there and right there. This is like you got a strong move to the upside. And then you've got, that's really, even though it's bearish in direction, it's really bullish in flag style. Because it goes up like this, and then the flag comes back like this. And what typically happens on a flag like this is that there's another move that comes after that. So watch. I would not be interested in shorting this. I would be interested in the bullish engulfing to play it back up for one of these. That's what I see with Mickey D's. And whatever it is, if they got something going wrong in a corporate way, they'll get it fixed. They're just way too big to let something affect their business. They're going to correct it in a week or a month or whatever. They don't need bad publicity, and everybody likes their burgers and stuff like that. Yeah, Dollar Tree is closing 1,000 stores? Oh, you're welcome, Robert. You say Dollar? Are you sure it's Dollar Tree? I read Family Dollar and Dollar General, I think. Let me see.
Family Dollar.
And Dollar Tree.
Family Dollar.
Yeah. So, hey,
Dollar Tree.
Robert, I don't think you probably want to touch Dollar Tree for a while. Yeah, Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. So it's Dollar General that's going to be the one that you want to buy.
Yeah. Family Dollar and Dollar Tree will close at 1,000 stores.
It's Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. So we want to look for opportunities in Dollar General and Casey's.
Other discount retailers stand to gain from Dollar Tree.
That's what I was saying. Yeah. So Dollar General stands to gain from the closing there. Let me get that back up. So let's clarify that before I take off for the day. Okay, so what we got here is DLTR is closing stores. Okay? Not interested in that till they figure their stuff out. Okay, now Dollar General is not closing stores. And they are in an uptrend where they pull back here. Look for the bullish engulfing to get generated through here. All right, so Dollar General stands to actually capitalize on the fact that Family Dollar, is that right, and Dollar Tree are closing. So here we are with this. Look for that 2-hour uptrend in Dollar General. Right now they got a 2-hour downtrend. Not ready yet. But we got a higher low earlier today, so let's watch this one along with Casey's for those higher lows and price action to take out the resistance that's overhead right there. So there's Dollar General, and you want to take a look at Casey's. All right? Glad I got that cleared up. All right, traders, everybody have a beautiful weekend. I hope you all did well today with those puts. We'll see you all on Monday. Everybody stay safe. I want to see each and every one of you back here on Monday. All right? Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your family. Enjoy your friends. Thank you.